He is certified by Asian Productivity Organization, Tokyo, Japan, as expert in field of quality and productivity, lean industry 4.0, etc., related to industries and agriculture. He is also certified by Asian Productivity Organization in global environmental issues and entrepreneurship. He is a motivator of creation, of passion, resulting in achievement and excellence. With the consent of our session chair, now I call upon our first delegate, Ms. Reshma Udhani ma'am. She is research scholar, Krim Barkatullah University, Bhopal. Her presentation is on topic Digital Financial Inclusion in India, Need of an Hour with special reference to COVID-19.
Thank you very much, Pranjal madam. So nice.
Thank you, sir.
Please go ahead.
A very good afternoon to one and all. I'm audible, Pranjal?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'll share my screen. Just let me know. Yeah. Is my screen visible, Pranjal?
Yes, ma'am. It is.
Yeah.
It is visible, madam.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. And a very good afternoon to one and all. I'm here to present the research paper on digital financial inclusion in India, Need of an Hour, with the special reference to COVID-19. Yeah. Financial inclusion. What exactly the financial inclusion is? Financial inclusion relates to connecting the marginalized, underprivileged, poor, and society to the mainstream of economy by providing the financial literacy and access to the formal banking sector and financial services to them. As we know, being in India, there is a huge gap between rich and poor, and their financial requirements are not being properly addressed by the formal banking system, because we are unable to provide the banking and all the formal financial services to the poor, of as there is urban area more in the India. So that gap should be bridged, and that is possible only through the financial inclusion. Let's go towards the what exactly is digital financial inclusion. In November 2014, as we already know about, that Jan Dhan account has started opening to in operation from 2014. After the Modi government has been selected, they took very much efforts to bring the urban area, rural areas to the mainframe. Through the first scheme they announced was the Jan Dhan account, to bring the poor to the mainframe formal banking accounting, formal banking system and financial services. In 2014, USAID, that is United States Agency of International Development, announced a significant commitment and support to the government of India towards their financial inclusion agenda. In this commitment, they focus on expanding merchant acceptance, digital payments, critical and underdeveloped piece of technology, financial inclusion puzzle, leveraging their expertise in the development and digital finance. The commission a number of pilot activities across the range of urban and rural settings. As we were lacking behind the technology in India, so USAID come ahead to help India to achieve the digital financial inclusion goal.